Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over kind of a quick how-to on things you can check on your radio. So we picked out a unit that's kind of a universal one. This will pretty much fall into all the categories of all the radios. It's just going to be a matter of how does your radio come out of the wall. So this particular unit has 4 screws that we've already loosened up to take out, 2 on each side. Most radios or any kind of controllers that you have something similar to this. Either there's a plate that covers this that has to pop off, slide out, whatever it may be. But from time to time, you come into your coach and you notice that everything's working but the radio. And the reason being is usually it just blows a fuse. So when you get to the radio and you get those screws removed, you simply want to pull this one out. This particular one on the back side here has a coupler with a fuse right above it. That fuse right there has a tendency to blow sometimes. It can be low battery, it can be a power surge, whatever it may be. But if you're experiencing a scenario where your radio is not working, won't power on, won't do anything, that's where you want to check. It may be on the radio itself, it may be an inline fuse on those wires that you saw that I pulled out. But 9 times out of 10, if a radio is not powering on, not doing anything, that's where you want to start by checking the fuse. A few other things that you can do with the unit, if the fuse does check to be good, you can simply unplug the unit, let it sit for about 10 seconds, plug it back in, and see if that resets it. We'll call that a hard reset. And if that takes care of the problem, you might get a display come back on, time, whatever it may be, just to see if that works. But a lot of times when you walk into your coach, if your radio is not working, it's very simple. Remove the screws, pull the radio out, find that fuse, replace that fuse, and that should take care of your problem. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.